guys, it's Slime World. So today I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be making some more slimes from the Ascension DIY slime kit, even though I hate this kit. And this is the name. I really like it. It's just not good, but we're going to make some slimes. Foam beads, and I made a whole review about it, so if you're interested to know why I don't like it, then you can go over to my other YouTube videos. Okay, this one's not made. Okay, I have fruit slices, perfect. So I have this one, and like I said, if you guys watch my other slime kit review video, you know why there's yellow on here. I'm not really going to spoil it, so you guys can go see my last video. And this is the slime. So I think for this one, I'm actually gonna add foam beads, but I'm just gonna add like pink ones. And sorry about my last videos. I was kind of running out of ideas. In my last video, I'm so sorry that it was that short. Yeah. And there's kids playing outside. I'm in here recording a video. Oh, and by the way, I made an intro. So, yeah. It's really cool. I really like it. This is the slime, guys. Yeah. It's not that good. Comment down below if you guys want me to show you how to make cloud slime, because I can show you guys how to make it. I love cloud slime, it's just so soft. No, I think we're gonna make a twist. Let's see what it says. Look. There is no way. So you guys know my egg? It's saying that this is the egg. Let's try it. Let's see if we can copy off their pictures. Okay, let's see. So I added some foam beads, but not a lot. So let's just add the fruit slices. And you guys can see that it shows like, apparently that has so much of this, but it really doesn't. And look, on here, don't the bags look so big? Those bags look huge. Okay, we're gonna add it. This is not even stretchy, so I don't even know if you can swirl. Okay, well, yeah, so that was me trying to copy off this video. And this video was really random, so I'm really sorry. So I think I'm gonna end it here so I can clean all of this. This video was just really random. And I'm gonna go ice skating later. Bye. Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye.